Laws of flotation. A body will float in a liquid when? If the weight of the body is equal to the weight of the liquid being displaced by the immersed part of the body. So, if we have this liquid, so if this body, if the weight of the body, whole body, is equal to the weight of the liquid being displaced by the immersed part of the body. So this is the immersed part. So if the weight of the body is equal to the weight of the, say this is the water being displaced. So if these are equal, then we say the body is going to float. So we say if capital W is the weight of the body and W is the buoyant force, then if this capital W is greater than W, the body will sink, because of course this is greater, weight of the body is greater than the buoyant force. Buoyant force will not be able to contain it or push it to the surface, so it is going to sink to the bottom. If capital W is less than small w, then the body will float partially submerged in the liquid. But if W is equal to capital W, then the buoyant force and the weight, they are just equating each other. So now the body will float in liquid if its whole volume is just immersed in the liquid, just immersed. This is partially submerged, this is sinking. So floating body will be in stable equilibrium if there is a center of buoyancy also. If the meta center, it lies vertically above the center of gravity of the body. The floating body will be this was in stable equilibrium, this will be unstable equilibrium if the meta center, or you can say center of buoyancy, which lies vertically below the center of gravity of the body, and stable, unstable, and there is a neutral also. So the floating body will be in neutral equilibrium if the meta center or the center of buoyancy, it coincides with the center of gravity of the body.